mean, it looks cute, but kind of feeling like it might fly off. Scary, y'all. What is up, guys? Sophie here, back with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this quick. This is a wraparound ponytail, and this is my first time trying this. I got it from Amazon. All products will be listed down in the description box. Stay tuned for the video, shall we? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all my videos.
Dedication, reservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly, transformation.
I'm not going to straighten it or anything because I don't want any heat on my hair. Water first and then the products. To this, I'm just gonna put this in a small bun. This is a ponytail I got off Amazon, and it is a wraparound. I am so confused by this. Like, I don't know what is happening right now. Like, how do I put it on? It didn't come with any directions, nor did I look on to see how this is supposed to work. So we just gonna go by hoping for the best. There is a comb, so by common sense measures, we're going to, look, see, we can't do this. We're just gonna stick this here. And then there is this with Velcro. So grab tightly. Let's take this off. Velcro gets stuck to everything under the sun. Okay. All right, I bobby pinned this thing happening in place. Kind of messed up my stuff here. But as always, you know, if you tie a scarf around this, you'll be all right. Kind of agitated though. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, I don't know if it feels secure in my head. Like, I mean, it looks cute, but kind of feeling like it might fly off. Scary, y'all. All right, that's about it. I think that the ponytail is super cute. It was kind of like a lot happening because the Velcro kept getting stuck in my hair, but I mean, I'll rock with it. I wish the ponytail was a little bit thicker. It's kind of thin, but I mean, it's cute. And this feels a little lopsided, but it's still cute. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.